Hello. New year, new me, new tools, and new rip-offs by AliExpress. I bought a load of tools. Where is it? There it is. Let's start the review on a bad note. So I bought this, what do you call it? Display driver, which was supposed to be for this iPad screen. I don't know, this is something iPad 3 something, but I got scammed and I have no idea what this connector is. So already starting on a bad note. I already rate this a 1 out of 10. 0 out of 10. I don't even know if it works and what can it be used on, and there's no model version or anything that I can find on it. So there's something here, but doing some web search, it doesn't tell me anything. So I thought, let me take one of those old, what is this, an HP laptop screens that I had. If I'm lucky, this one can be used on that driver board. One more screw. I'm just being optimistic. I have no idea. Wood from factory. This is genuine HP wood. If anyone is interested, please message me. I don't even know if the screen is working. I think it should be working. And it's not the same. Okay. Display driver board, AliExpress, 0 out of 10. Next thing, we have this heat plate thing. Surely I'm not doxing myself. Seems like it's fused together, so we ain't getting to see anything inside. Unless it's all going to explode. I hope it won't. Look at this beautiful new ESD mat. It would be a shame for it to get ruined. Let's screw in these, what do you call them, standoff screws to lift the platform. We will take out the thermal camera, probably connect this to a lab power supply. I think online it said that it's able to push out something like, what was it, 500 watts or something. So we're gonna put that to the test, unless it doesn't work on DC power. In you go. There it is. Let's see, bench power supply, I don't know, we're gonna start off slow, because I really don't know what to expect from this. Maybe it's not even supposed to work on DC. We're just gonna go Stone Lab style. Like this, and we will be able to see. 5 volts, 3 amps. Nothing. Absolutely no current is being drawn. Oh, 0.009 amps. Let's see, what if we give it a little bit more voltage? 12 volts. We have 0.2 watts. Is anything happening at all? No. Okay, let's go high. Oops. 15 volts. Nothing. 20 volts. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work at all like this. Nope. Unless polarity. Unless cable. Nope. Okay, so it's just drawing at 31 volts, 0.07 amps. That's literally nothing. So I guess this thing needs AC power. Okay. I'm back. And we have this now. And this now. And a third tool from AliExpress, which is a power meter. And we're gonna use it in combination with this ladies and gentlemen, please prepare for fireworks. Let's see if this let's see if this will do the trick. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, it just made some crackling noise. How hot? Oh, what's going on? What? 1000 watts? Almost 1000. That was like 900. I just want to... This is hot now. Also, please don't repeat what you see me doing. I'm a professional. I've electrocuted myself multiple times. I know what I'm doing. Let's continue. I can smell something. It's also making sounds and making me a little bit scared. If this was rated for 500 watts, oh, it's also smoking. Maybe, just maybe, you know what? I probably should have cleaned it with isopropyl alcohol or something. Let's just push it. Also, the wires are getting hot. Not super hot, but like warm. This thing is sketchy. I mean, you need to believe what AliExpress says. If it's 500 watts, it means it has to be 500 watts. That's not 500, that's 1200. Even though it was a spike, but that's like... Oh, okay, I get it now. It's the fume extractor is sucking out the heat. I hope it won't catch fire. So I guess it's stabilized. 230. One moment, please. Let's put on something more precise. I'm back. So we have this temperature probe. Maybe. Yeah, I was expecting it to be more helpful. My hand actually feels very warm. Actually, a little bit burning. Actually burning a little bit a lot. So this shows it's a 250. That shows 187. I don't know which one to believe. But hey, we can conclude that this is a heat plate. Hot plate. I don't know which one. Either way. The name doesn't matter. I mean, so it's just barely at the temperature. I mean, I don't know if it's 180 or if it's 240, but it should be able to melt solder with a little bit of help from the hot air station, if anything. Well, let's wait till this cools down so that I can throw it off the table, and then let's check something else. Also, this meter, kind of cool. I gotta say, I haven't seen any flaws with this. It works. 10 out of 10. That thing, 8 out of 10. Feels like a sketchy... I mean, I just almost... Okay, that's off. These, that's 220 volts. Well, 232. That can shock the living shit out of me. Of course, this was off, so be right back. I'm still waiting for this thing to cool down, and something that I didn't check was the feet. How hot were they? Oh, okay, that's that's hot. That's hot. How hot? Screen display, center point. Nothing's on fire yet. How hot is this? Yeah, that's for sure not 30 degrees. That's like... That's damn hot. I guess the reflective surface is lying. Because that's for sure not 32 degrees. Yeah, that's hot. Okay, so I guess using something heat tape on the bottom might be a good move with this. Be right back, still waiting for this to cool down. Next thing on the list is this data cable detection board, which is right here. I already plugged it in, and I already have two, I think. Wait, this is 3 cables, but I think 2 of them are bad. I don't know which ones, so let's see if it will... okay, so it doesn't work. What if we do a little bit of this? What if we do a little bit of different cable? Or am I using the wrong... No, this is power in. Okay, so I guess it should be... Okay, then let's try a different power supply. This is just 5 volts USB-A. There it is. So the LEDs are supposed to indicate CC. I don't know what this one stands for, but it's like a communication type of thing, if I'm not wrong. Data plus, data minus, VCC ground. Let me update myself. Correct me if I'm wrong, but CC stands for configuration channel. That's the thing that's excuse me. It's for communicating the voltage. So I guess this cable seems to be good then. Well, I don't see any flashing, so I guess we call this a good one. That means the 2 next ones should for sure be bad. Oh, look at that! Data minus is not working. So this already proves to be useful. This side, right here, no. In the connector, maybe, no. Okay, difficult. I mean, if you don't fully plug it in, so maybe, yeah, I don't know about this. Very inconsistent. It should, I don't know. Okay, so this one showed something at the beginning, but what about this one? This one is for sure bad. This is a U-green 5-meter USB-C cable with a bent tip. And I thought this was a genius idea. CC doesn't work. Will it start to work? I think I can see it barely illuminated. You can see it better on the camera. I mean, this is a long cable. But this one's faulty for sure. What if I flip the connector? Look, now data plus is also, or is it the connector? Yeah, I don't know. I guess we just need to cut a cable. One moment. I'm back and I changed my mind. So, and also another thing. This cable is probably not supposed to have CC because this is USB-A. It doesn't have that. This side at least is USB-A. But yeah, the plus went out, so this cable is faulty, and I guess wiggling it around might not even make it work. So I have another one, and this one is already opened. And you're telling me it all works? I mean, if it works, then I guess it works. Yeah, I don't know. This one's a bit weird. Okay, let's cut a wire. And we are gonna do that with this cutter. I didn't buy this one from AliExpress, I bought it in Thailand. I went to some cool shop that has a lot of electronics. And I paid like close to nothing for this. Like, how much? I think it was like 30 Thai baht. So let's just cut one of the D minuses. There, it's gone. Hey. Let's cut the D plus. Fell off by itself. So maybe that was the issue all along. Well, we can clearly say it's not lying. So it's okay out of 10. This one, let's check under the microscope. Is that rust? Or is something pointy? Is that rust? Here? Wait, no way, what? Okay, I mean, what did I expect? That's what you get for... This was under $1, I think. I still have the fume extractor on, damn it. Half of the video is gonna be poor. Hey, look at that, they also put in some lube. Okay. The handle seems okay. A little bit rubbery. I mean, you get what you pay for. Next thing on the list, Peltier module. Is it a module? Peltier, I think that's what they call them. So this thing, when you feed it voltage, one side should heat up and the other one should go cold. So let's see. So already losing points on my scale because non-copper wires. I don't know if 12 volts is too high, but I guess we will find out. "12 volts, 2 amps on. It's eating 12 watts. Look at that. That's already at 60 degrees. And this is at... That's cold. That's actually like cold, cold. Yeah, I don't think it's right. It's 26. Yeah, it could be 26 now. Okay, that's 110. I think I'm almost killing it. So this thing works, but I guess it's basically only a heater. Or a load. Yeah, the other side is already really hot. I guess it's okay for testing, I don't know, batteries or whatever, just as a load. I think overall this technology of a Peltier is kind of useless, so 2 out of 5. I think the next thing is probably the coolest one here. It's an LCR meter. And this thing is used for identifying if components like transistors, resistors, diodes, capacitors, all of those things, if they're good or bad. And it also shows some readings. I've already used this one because I was just too damn excited. So this is the capacitor that came in the box. There should be more. I can see this LED, and I think this one is the last one. 3? Was it 3? I guess it's 3. So we just connect the probes randomly and it'll figure it all out by itself. And I'll use yellow. I also made a little teardown to unscrew these 4 screws to check what's inside. A capacitor, 1.1, is that nanofarad? I guess let's compare it to, let's have something to compare it to. .8. Is that microfarad? Let me correct myself. Okay, so I've checked myself before I wrecked myself. So this meter shows 1.2 microfarads, and this one shows 1158 nanofarads, which is similar, except that it's not the same. So let's see if I can find another one. Check this out, 100.7 microfarads with ESR of 0.5 ohms, and this one shows yeah, basically the same, small difference. So I guess we can call this quite accurate, or at least accurate on those 2 measurements. What about this one? $10 nanofarads. And I just ripped out the cables. What about on this one? Is this going to be the same? 10 nanofarads. Yep. Alrighty. What about an LED? Oh, it just flashed twice. It's too much light. Pretty cool. Was that it? Or was there something else? Yeah, I guess I don't have... Maybe I can find something more in this box. Let me see. I found this thing, which is, I think, a thermistor. Let's see if it will identify something like that. Just a resistor. Okay. What if we heat it up? So it was 10,000. And now it's 7,800. So I guess, I mean, a resistor is a resistor. And it is a resistor. Thermistor. Mister. What if we test another resistor? 1k ohms. What about this one? $10k ohms. Cool. Like this one, this tool is cool. On their documentation, it shows a little bit more stuff. It has a micro USB charger, which kind of sucks. It also has an IR meter. Not meter, but IR decoder. And I think you just turn it on. Hold it down. And now let's see. And I just started recording on the microscope, because this is the microscope controller. This thing is cool. 9 out of 10. If it would have a USB-C, maybe 10 out of 10. Last toy of today is this tiny voltmeter, I guess. Pretty cool. And I don't know how much voltage it's rated for, but we're gonna find out the ugly way. So 1 volt, 2, 3, 4. Hey, look at that. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I don't know if 9 is the limit. This is 10. Now this might be the last step and it might die. Okay, 11. Okay. Okay, I'm scared to go higher because it's not getting hot. It's eating 0.2 watts at 19 volts. I mean, this is just a 10 out of 10. This is a gorgeous item. I mean, this is just cool. Very awesome. Bonus item. This cheap magnet. Magnetizer and demagnetizer. This, I don't know, like just the design itself is just sketchy. So I'm magnetizing. Actually, I don't even know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this should be able to demagnetize it. So let's magnetize it for a start. And there it attracts this screw. Now, demagnetizing doesn't work, so I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I'm pretty sure a demagnetizer is supposed to demagnetize. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Piece of junk. Thank you for watching.